Alright, this is our new topic, which is Mother Nature. We are going to focus on our speaking skill for this unit. So I will just brief you what you are supposed to do for this speaking activity. Alright, before we go further, as usual, I will brief you the learning objective for our lesson. As you can see from the screen, there are two objectives that you are going to achieve by the end of the lesson. Okay, now you can refer to your textbook. Alright, this is the first question. You can share with me what was the latest outdoor activity you have done recently. Do you like it and why? Okay, now you can refer to those pictures. Okay, there are a few pictures there. You can list down as many words as you can to relate to these activities. It might help you later when you have to do your speaking activity. Alright, before we go further, here are the speaking tips. There are no right or wrong answer, but you must make sure to justify your answer. This is not a monologue, so take turns to speak. Listen to your partner's opinion and respond by either agreeing or disagreeing with it. Don't forget there are two parts to the task. One part is to express the instruction, and another part to decide which one that you like. So imagine your school is organizing a trip. So which place that you love to go? Alright, you can use any words from the language bank there to help you to make your conversation smoothly. There are also phrases that will help you when you want to start your conversation with your friends. And the task is you have to send me your speaking audio to decide on those activities. That's the end. Thank you, kids. See ya.